All right, here we are, trying to get to the Planet Moolah. Let's see if we can do it. Let's go. Okay, a lot of wilds over there. $100 in. Change up a bit. Come on, Mr. Moo Cow. Oh, moo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Take us to Planet Moolah. Oh. Which one? Something. Come on, keep going. No. Oh, those ones. Okay. One more. Oh my god, we were one off from 14 right there. How did that not give it to us? That's so crazy. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. They took the whatever and they put more wilds down there, I think. No! Come on. So we're getting like the special cows, which give us some kind of things. Get more wilds? No. Crazy game. That doesn't count. Sometimes it's so hard to see like what's even going on in this game. I feel like I'm watching a cartoon. Super Journey is really fun. Drop something good. Connect there. Come on, more wilds. No! That first one should have been something. That was crazy. Chicken there. Oh. Let's get something here. Help us. More wilds. No. We're getting those like good cows, but they can't like stack on top of each other. Our ticket to Planet Moolah Part 2. Let's go. We can tie something together. Come on. Ooh, come on, old man. Super Journey, we want to get all of those. No chance. Oh, that should have been something. Two more. Okay, come on. No. One more is always like right there. And then it can keep going and going and going, and if you get one of those like good ones, it could go to 200 or 400. If you get this one, the unicow, that gives you like the big planet trip we're looking for. no follow-ups. Moo. Come on, Moo Moo. Come on. 3 more. Oh. I need 2 more. The line hits aren't coming in, but like, kind of. The reels are so good. That would have been a good one to get tied to something else. So when it drops it at the end, it's like a real good connector to get to the end. Drop in wild, yes. Do it now. It's been so long. Okay, come on, do it again. Yes. Okay, finally. Now keep going. Yes, keep going. Come on, take us to Planet Moolah. Drop the big one. There we go. 10 games. Finally somewhere. It's going somewhere.
Journey to the Planet Moolah!
Okay, 100. Last one, spin. Oh, that one. Come on, buddy. Stop. Stop. So, like, you pick up stuff on the way to the planet, and this stuff helps you when you get back to the planet. There was such a good one. That dude is 600. I want the $2. Or the $4, I think. Spin. Okay. At least get that one. Keep that one yourself. At 11 now. You're gonna get the whole thing. We're at the Planet Moolah now.
We have arrived!
Okay, let's go. Baby Unicow, come on. Let's get them the big ones. Drop some big ones. Oh, I didn't connect. Come on, give us some more. Oh no, please connect. Oh, it did, it could. That was a good one. So we can re-trigger the games down here again the same way. More wilds. Baby and a cow. Oh, this one moved into one. Connect. Move. Okay, 3 more. Ooh. Baby and a cow, come on. Blast? Oh, this is big. Chicken blast, what's this? A lot of chickens? More chickens. Oh, there's 5 of kind down there. Come on, keep them coming. Oh, this is a good one. Lion, yes, this is a good one. Keep going. Help us with the wheel. That was fun, Mr. Moolah. So you can have 410 free games. That was just 11 or something. Okay, we won back some of our money.